Is there a new bank on the block that you haven't heard about yet? Something called PiBank? You might have seen it mentioned online, perhaps in discussions about cryptocurrency or even new financial technologies. It's a name that's been circulating, sparking curiosity and raising a fundamental question. What exactly is PiBank? It's easy to assume that any entity with the word bank in its name is a traditional financial institution, complete with physical branches, ATMs, and government regulation. However, the reality of PiBank is a bit more nuanced and tied directly to the Pi network. To understand PiBank, you first need to understand the Pi network. Launched in 2019, the Pi network is a cryptocurrency project with the ambitious goal of making cryptocurrency mining accessible to everyday users through a mobile app. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that often require significant computing power, Pi can be mined, or rather earned, simply by checking into the app daily. The core of the Pi network revolves around its native cryptocurrency, Pi. This digital currency is currently in what's called the enclosed mainnet phase. This means that while Pi has been mined by millions of users globally, it is not yet fully open for trading on major cryptocurrency exchanges. Transactions are currently limited to within the Pi network itself. So, where does PiBank fit into this picture? Well, the short answer is, PiBank isn't a standalone, licensed banking institution in the traditional sense. You won't find it listed among the officially registered banks in any country. Instead, the term PiBank has emerged organically within the Pi network community to refer to the potential and future functionality of the Pi cryptocurrency as a medium of exchange and a store of value. Think of it this way: as the Pi network ecosystem develops and as more users and businesses come on board, the Pi cryptocurrency could theoretically function in ways that resemble some aspects of traditional banking. Users could potentially use their Pi to pay for goods and services, and businesses might accept Pi as a form of payment. In this context, the collective network of Pi users engaging in these transactions could be informally referred to as a kind of PiBank, a decentralized system where value is exchanged using the Pi currency. Furthermore, the Pi core team, the developers behind the Pi network, have indicated their intention to build out a robust ecosystem around the Pi cryptocurrency. This includes a marketplace where users can trade goods and services using Pi. As this ecosystem grows, the functionalities associated with a bank, such as facilitating transactions and potentially even offering lending or other financial services in the future, could become more prevalent within the Pi network. It's crucial to distinguish between this potential future functionality and the current reality. As of today, Pi is not widely accepted outside of the Pi network, and there isn't a regulated entity called PiBank. The term is more of a community-driven concept reflecting the aspirations for the Pi cryptocurrency. Therefore, if you encounter the term PiBank, understand that it's not a registered bank. Instead, it represents the collective potential of the Pi network and its cryptocurrency to facilitate financial transactions and potentially evolve into a more comprehensive financial ecosystem in the future. It's a testament to the community's belief in the utility and value of the Pi cryptocurrency as it moves towards its open mainnet phase. Keep an eye on the official announcements from the Pi core team for the latest developments and the true evolution of the Pi network's capabilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.